So in this video we are going to discuss about a second method that will help you to swap two numbers in a C program. Now let's say interviewer has asked you need to swap two numbers but without using the third variable. So how you can do this? In this video we will discuss the logic first and then I will show you the program. Let's say we have two numbers A and B which has a value of 10 and 20. Now we can use arithmetic over here. The logic is, let's say we will say A equal to A plus B. So we have A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and the value of A will be what? 30. Now in the next step what we will do? We will do a subtraction of A and B, and whatever will be the result that we will store into the B. So now we have B equal to A minus B. So A, which is already updated over here, which is 30, minus B is a 20, and now you can see that the B value is swapped with the value of A. And as a next step we want to update the value of A. You can see here, if you will subtract A and B, you will get a result as a 20. 30 minus 10 is what? 20. So what we need to do? We need to say that A equal to A minus B. So we will have a 20 equal to 30 minus 10. So in this way we can swap a two number using arithmetic logic, and this is our second method, which is really easy. Now let's write a program for our second method to swap a two number. So I will first write a function prototype over here, swap method 2, and here we will again pass integer pointer A, integer pointer B, because we are going to do the operation into the function. And let's write a function over here. So we will say void swap method 2, and here the argument will be the same. Here what we need to do, we need to say that pointer A equal to pointer A plus pointer B, and now you can see that the A value is 10, B value is 20, so A will be equal to the 30. Now we need to get the value of B. So B equal to the A minus B. So we know that we have A equal to 30, B equal to 20 now. So it will be equal to the 10. Now we need to get the value of A equal to this A minus B. So this is a simple program. Now let's call this function. I will comment this one, and here we will call the swap method 2 function, and we will pass the argument as address of A and address of B, and that's it. So after running this program we are expecting that A equal to 20 and B equal to 10. Let's run this program. So here we go, A equal to 20 and B equal to 10. So this is a simple method to swap two variables without using a third variable. Thank you so much for watching this video.